In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a purchase order and convert it to a bill in Xero. Let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page where you'll enter your email and password. Once you've filled in your details, click on the login button. After logging in, you should find yourself on the Xero dashboard. On this page, locate and click on the business tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you need to select purchase orders. Once you've arrived at the purchase orders page, look for the option that allows you to create a new order. This is conveniently labeled as plus new purchase order. In the purchase order form, begin by filling in essential details such as the contact information for the supplier and the delivery date. Be thorough while entering this information to avoid any discrepancies later. Next, move on to the description and specify the quantity, price, account code, and applicable tax rate for the items you are purchasing. Make sure each section is accurately filled to ensure a smooth process later on. Once all details are entered and you've reviewed the information for accuracy, click on the Approve button to finalize your purchase order. Now that the purchase order is approved, it's time to send it off. Click on the Send option and enter the recipient's email address. You'll want to ensure this information is correct so your purchase order ends up in the right inbox. After typing in the email, go ahead and click Send to dispatch your purchase order. Now let's move on to converting this purchase order into a bill. You'll begin by returning to the purchase orders page where you'll see your list of approved orders. Locate the purchase order that you wish to convert and select it. Once you're viewing the chosen purchase order, find and click on the option marked Mark as Billed. This step is crucial as it will change the status of the order. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action. Simply select OK. With the purchase order now billed, it's time to enter an invoice date and reference number for tracking purposes. If you need to include additional items that may not have been accounted for initially, don't worry. There's an option to add a new line, allowing you to update the order details as necessary. Finally, review the invoice details once more, and when everything is accurate and complete, click on Approve to finalize the conversion of your purchase order to a bill. And there you have it, you've successfully entered a purchase order and converted it to a bill in Xero. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't hesitate to reference this video if you need a refresher on the steps. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.